Whenever you have a tooth extracted, except for the wisdom tooth or wisdom teeth, that tooth should be replaced. It has a domino effect on your total occlusion, your ability to clean your teeth, making you more susceptible for caries, periodontal disease, and you will lose more teeth in that general area where that one tooth is missing. So it is imperative to replace missing teeth because of the shift of the other teeth. Also, you have a problem of losing the bone density in the area. The sooner teeth are replaced, the better it is for the patient because you conserve your bone.